I had just 9 hours to finish my whole manga for Japanese contest, and then when I tried to submit it, this happened. And the worst part, I had no idea how to fix it. But let's start from the beginning. The Silent Manga Audition is a Japanese manga contest where stories are told without dialogue. And since my dream is to become a mangaka someday, of course I joined. And this round name was Letters. And actually I loved that theme because it's super open for different types of ideas. And my first idea was inspired by One Piece because I'm a huge fan. I thought it would be cool if the message was somehow carved into an ancient stone plates like poneglyphs. You know, mysterious message from the past, emotional reveal, all that stuff. But the problem was, of course, to make that idea work, I would need to define a world around it. I need to build lore and the time skip somehow show everything without any speech bubbles, and yeah, way too ambitious and way too complicated for Silent Manga Audition contest. So I scrapped it and I moved forward with another idea. And then this happened. Another manga contest suddenly dropped, Kadokawa contest, with a much shorter deadline. So I pressed pause on my Silent Manga Audition entry and focused on Kadokawa instead. And you can check the whole process of me preparing and submitting manga for Kadokawa contest on this channel. There are 3 videos altogether. I'd say those videos are pretty good, and my entry is, I would say it's solid. It's not amazing, but it's solid, you know? And by the time I came back from Kadokawa to Silent Manga Audition, I wanted to try something different, and I decided to combine romance and thriller. And the idea was simple: make one character seem dangerous at the beginning, but later on reveal that in reality they're trying to confess their feelings. So I started storyboarding. And because I barely had any time left, I kept the story really compact and short, around 8-9 pages. And for character design, I also kept things simple enough, just generic outfit, no crazy hairstyles. But then I realized something. In Silent Manga contests, everyone focuses their attention on facial expressions, crying, angry, shocked emotions. This is what sells your manga. So I thought to myself, what if the strongest emotional moment in my manga would come from a dog? Because you see, animals are kind of cheating. People instantly connect with them. So the dog became the core emotional element in my manga. And then I started drawing. At first, everything was going just fine until reality hit me. I suddenly realized I had only 9 hours left, and I had finished just one page, and I still needed to finish another 8 pages. And at that point, there was no going back. So I turned on the most aggressive music possible and locked in. This was also the first time I really started using screentones seriously, and honestly, they make such a huge difference. Just look at this. The page instantly felt more alive, but screentones created another problems. Unfortunately, file size. The contest requires keeping each page under 2 megabytes or less, and one of my pages was over 20. So suddenly I'm not just drawing manga anymore, I'm now fighting with these file sizes. So I needed to compress somehow everything, because redrawing it would be kind of a struggle. And then I decided to make things even worse for myself. I added not 1, but 2 double page spreads. So after hours of drawing and screen tones and suffering and sleep deprivation and hunger and everything, I finally finished my manga. It was done in 9 hours. Of course, I have experience. I did like 1 manga page in 1 hour. You can check video about that on my channel. But yeah, you never know how the things will turn out. So yeah, I finished my manga finally. I went to submission page, uploaded the files, and then this happened. At first, the pages were just in the wrong order, which is easy fix. You just need to change the name of your files. But after re-uploading, the double page spread became completely broken. The middle was distorted, the panels were shifted, everything looked cursed. Unfortunately, I don't have footage from that because I was too stressed and worried that I will not make it in time. So I deleted my submission, went to Clip Studio Paint again, tried to kind of shift everything, change size of panels, re-upload it again, and again double page spread looked completely broken. So I deleted and re-uploaded like 10 times in a row and nothing worked. And at this point I was panicking because deadline was getting dangerously close. I tried changing page sizes, it didn't work, and after like 10th upload attempt, I finally found official Silent Manga Audition YouTube video about how to upload your entry submissions on their servers, and there was actually the part of the video was dedicated to double page spread and how to save that particular part and how to upload it. And yeah, there was specific settings and I used those settings, and it was a little bit different from my original setup. So I needed to change everything, which in fact messed a little bit positions of my panels on other pages. But at least this time double page spread finally looked normal. So if you have decided to submit for Silent Manga Audition contest and your manga will have double page spread, please use these particular settings. Otherwise you will have headaches, because I almost did. But eventually I finally submitted my manga, and honestly, I genuinely think that this is one of my best work so far. Like, just look at the difference. I can actually see the improvements now. So maybe, just maybe, I have a chance this time. At least for a shout out from editorial department or one of the judges, I hope. Anyways, here is final result of my manga. Enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to support my dream of becoming a mangaka someday, subscribe, and if not...
This is author song of my YouTube channel, and it's not made by AI. Someday I will become the greatest mangaka, so you better subscribe.